This summer shiso salad is packed with delicious summer vegetables, fresh tomatoes, crisp cucumbers, sweet corn, bright edamame, all coated in herbaceous shiso dressing and ready in just 15 minutes. This literally is summer on a plate. Let's get chopping. For a printable version of this recipe, visit my website, just Google summer vegetable salads that you'd find me. Let's start by prepping our star vegetables. We're going to dice 2 medium tomatoes, which is about 300 grams in total, into bite-sized pieces. Now, we're going to sprinkle these with a generous pinch of salt and let them rest in a bowl for about 10 minutes. By the time we've finished prepping, the other ingredients will have had their perfect 10-minute timeout, so really no need to set an alarm. We're actually drawing out their natural juices so the flavors concentrate and become more intense. While the tomatoes do their thing, thinly slice 1 Japanese or Persian cucumber, that's about 100 grams, into paper-thin rounds. Give the slices their own salt rub, massage them gently until every piece feels seen, then leave them for 10 minutes too. Now let's shred our shiso leaves. First, trim off those little stems. Cut the leaves in half lengthwise, stack them up, then roll them up tight and slice into ribbons. Time for our edamame. I'm using 50 grams of frozen pot-free ones today. Just give these a quick 1-minute blanch and drain. For the fresh edamame, check my website for the full salt-boiled method. Time to create a Shiso-Sesame dressing. In a small food processor, we're going to combine 1.5 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, half tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce, 5 beautiful shiso leaves, 1 teaspoon of ground sesame seeds, and half teaspoon of sugar. As always, all ingredients and exact measurements for this recipe can be found in the description box below. Shiso leaves have this incredible aromatic quality that's somewhere between basil and mint with a hint of cinnamon. It's absolutely essential in Japanese cuisine and brings such a fresh, herbaceous brightness to dishes. Pulse this mixture until it forms a smooth emerald green dressing with tiny flecks of shiso throughout. Look at that color. After 10-minute wait, you'll see pools of liquid around your salted vegetables. Discard all the accumulated liquid from both the tomatoes and cucumbers. But for the cucumbers, gently squeeze to remove every last bit of moisture. By the way, if you love this salad, I think you also love my crispy rice salad recipe. Check the description for more related recipes. Now assembly time. Place those perfectly prepared tomatoes in your serving bowl along with the blanched edamame, about 4 tablespoons of canned corn, your cucumber slices, and finish with the shredded shiso leaves. Just before serving, drizzle the gorgeous emerald dressing over your vegetables and mix gently to coat everything evenly. And there you have it, a colorful Japanese summer vegetable salad that takes just 15 minutes from start to finish. This is your new go-to for potlucks, barbecues, or even a refreshing weekday lunch. Want even more delicious recipes? Grab my free cookbook from the link in the description. Okay, let's go over the ingredients one more time. And if you're ready to cook, grab the written instructions by clicking the full recipe box with a picture that's about to pop up on your screen. Here we go, the link to the full recipe is on the screen for you now, and if you want to watch more similar videos, don't miss my salad recipe playlist popping up on your screen as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.